Alright, so here's another bike we're gonna check out today. This guy is a Yamaha? Yamaha, right? Yamaha and an Aerox is called. So it's like a scooter, you know, these things you see daily in Thailand. People love scooters because they're so useful. You got space for luggage. You can seat 2, 3, 4, 5 people like they do in Thailand. And yeah, they're useful, you know, easy maintenance and stuff like that. But my friend, he did his into an EV conversion. Basically, similar motor to mine. I have a 10 kilowatt motor, but he has a 10 kilowatt motor as well. But this type of hall sensor is very good. It's an electronic hall sensor. And then this. That's right. So this is basically the same way as Can-Am is doing their electric motorbikes. Everything integrated inside. The way he did it is you can buy this off gas bikes, but inside is a CVT, right? So when you go faster, it expands and it makes more RPM. And while going slower, it turns down and makes a lower gear. This thing is fixed. So inside here is just a timing belt. Direct drive timing belt with a little gearbox to the wheel, which is a very interesting system. The electronic system is 72 volts with a cooling and a 50 amp hour battery pack. Very tiny battery pack, but enough to do the job of daily riding. Yeah, and so we're gonna check out what he did. Let's see if we turn it on. Here is the voltage. So right now it's at 80 volts. So remember, when we talk 72 volt or 60 volt, this is called the nominal. When it's fully charged, it's higher. And yeah, that's it. It's actually a very simple design. You got your eco mode and sport mode. So let's take a listen. Let's see here, because it's off the ground. So we can hear that the brake is kind of like touching a bit, but it sounds really good, like an airplane. So since you don't have a chain, you have belt drive, and all you hear is the motor just running. It's doing its job. It's kind of shaking. Oh. I won't push it much. The reason why I don't want to test it is because he already sold it. So that's it. Someone's going to buy this bike already, and it's going to be shipped to Indonesia. Yep. Awesome little bike. The most expensive component of this design is this. It was like 20-something thousand baht, which is quite expensive for a custom fit. Because you gotta like hold the motor, see? You have to have some, you know, proper mechanic design so that the motor fits exactly in that spot, exactly where the cables will come out, exactly where the cooling will go in. It's quite complicated. Yeah, that's why I go for chain drive. It's just easy and simple. Sprocket, done. I'm the low-cost guy. Some people go all out, man. They just put full money in there. Yeah, but all the components look very high quality, like the brakes and everything like that. Pretty cool. Alright, well that's it for the Yamaha Aerox EV conversion. Anything else? We got this little thing here. Little monster go-kart. I don't know the specs on it, but I'm thinking about 48 volts since the charger is so tiny and everything. And there's nowhere to fit anything higher performance. Alright. That's it for this video. Ciao.